Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. When a dicarboxylic acid, alkanedioic acid, is heated, the product depends on the chain length, value of N, where N is equal to number of CH2 groups between the two carboxylic acid groups. The compound shown is CH2NQ, a dicarboxylic acid. Moving on to the next step. Identify the behavior of dicarboxylic acids upon heating. Very short chain dicarboxylic acids, oxalic acid, N is equal to 0, malonic acid, N is equal to 1, undergo dicarboxylation upon heating, losing CO2 to give a simpler carboxylic acid or CO2 plus H2O. Succinic acid, N is equal to 2, and glutaric acid, N is equal to 3, undergo intramolecular dehydration, not dicarboxylation, to form cyclic anhydrides, 5-membered or 6-membered ring anhydrides, releasing H2O instead of CO2. Longer chain dicarboxylic acids, N is equal to 4, adipic acid, N is equal to 5, pymalic acid, at higher temperatures can form cyclic ketones via dicarboxylation and loss of water, or cyclic anhydrides that are less favored. Moving on to the next step. Analyze each option. N is equal to 1, malonic acid, CH2Q. Upon heating, it readily undergoes dicarboxylation to give acetic acid plus CO2. CO2 is evolved. N is equal to 4, adipic acid, CH2, 4Q. Upon heating, it can form cyclohexanone via dicarboxylation and loss of water, pyrolysis over metal oxide catalysts, evolving CO2. N is equal to 5, pymalic acid, CH2, 5Q. Similarly can evolve CO2 upon heating. N is equal to 2, succinic acid, CH2, 2Q. Upon heating, it undergoes intramolecular dehydration to form succinic anhydride, a 5-membered cyclic anhydride, releasing only H2O. No CO2 is evolved. And for the final step, why N is equal to 2 does not evolve CO2. Succinic acid, N is equal to 2, forms a stable 5-membered ring anhydride, succinic anhydride, upon heating. The reaction is simply a dehydration, CH2 succinic anhydride plus H2O. No dicarboxylation occurs, so no CO2 is produced. Why other options fail? N is equal to 1, malonic acid classic dicarboxylation gives CO2. N is equal to 4, adipic acid pyrolysis gives cyclopentanone plus CO2 plus H2O. N is equal to 5, pymalic acid pyrolysis gives cyclohexanone plus CO2 plus H2O. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.